Happy Sunday. So, I hope you're thinking about your designs or something like that. It'll be nice if you do. But anyways, so I'm kind of over teaching SolidWorks on Saturday because I feel like people got bored of it. But if you don't, please give me a shout out or something. But the reason why I'm making this video is because I realized now that you're prototyping, there are a few functions that you should probably know about. So, oops. Damn. Okay, hold on. Uh, yep. There we go. So basically, right? Now you're basically gonna make a bunch of different parts and then you're gonna begin assembly. And there's a lot that goes into that. Well, not really enough though where I can make a whole video about it. Where was I? Yes. So I'm gonna teach you how to assemble parts today. Let's see. Let's do. Oh yeah, also, by the way, I also kind of realized that you guys have to make a linear to rotation mechanism. I have to make a rotate. No, you guys have to make a rotational to linear mechanism. I need to make a linear to rotational mechanism there. So basically, I'm on the same project as you guys, so please do not copy my idea because it would not be fun. Okay, so, okay, we have a bunch of parts here, right? Yeah. So now we're gonna make an assembly. Hello? Did I click on something wrong? Probably did. This is our part. So this is my bell crank plate. I made it using 3 circles. Very exciting, I know. Oh, this is my assembly, I think, is it? What? Oh, no. I'm dumb. I'm a dum-dum. This is our plate that I'm gonna use. So I'm gonna make an assembly out of this, and I'm gonna show you why it's kind of important that you do. Okay, make assembly from part. If you're gonna make an assembly, there's 2 ways. You can do this. After you make a part, you can just like, oh, click this, there you go. Or, is it this button? You can click on the home button and go to assembly. I'm gonna do it in this case, cause do it like this. Sorry, English is my second language, whatever. Okay. Oh dear. Okay, so you see this, it's a little different. You know, the toolbar's a little different. Just read it. You'll be fine. So assembly of, we're gonna do insert components and then do this. Okay, we're gonna have the bell crank plate first. And I'm just gonna be like, here. So like fun fact, the first part you put on here is gonna be anchored. So you can tell from here, if you right click, if it's not anchored, it would say like, oh, do you want to anchor it? Do you want to fix it? There. So we're gonna anchor this for now. And yeah. Okay, we're gonna insert our components. Alright, gonna browse. Canesto. Canesto is our shared group drive for like SolidWorks, and do not judge the name I gave to my stuff. I made it at 2 in the morning after my cheesecake life, so. Hello? Okay, there we go. Okay. So like my whole thing is that I'm pretty sure this idea is like 80% fleshed out, but whatever. So if we're gonna make this in real life, oops, we're gonna have to like screw this to this hole, right? Right. A little better. So the bottom of this to this. So how are we gonna, simulate that in SolidWorks? Very easy. Oh, look, my SolidWorks skills isn't the best, but it's like passable. So yeah, we're gonna go to mate. Oh, I should probably unclick that. Okay, let me delete that. So if you want this to mate to this, you click to the part where it's like the destination first, shall we say. So okay, I also want this hole to be coincident. So coinkydink to this hole. So click hello. Okay. Oh, it already did it for me. So I want it to be coinkydink. So what coinkydink means that they stick together. And sometimes you want them to be concentric. Concentric means like the circles like align, but they're not like stuck together. That's all you need to know. So I want them to be coinkydink. And yeah. Okay. See, can we move it? Yay, now we can. Woohoo! And now I'm gonna repeat the same step. Okay, here we go. Forgot how to do the animation portion. When I remember, I'm gonna upload a video. I promise. Okay. Now I browse again. Da 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 da. Why are my names like that? Anyways. Okay. There we go. And then we're gonna mate this part. Mate. Since it doesn't matter if if the front or back is the same. So I'm just gonna do it like so. Does it matter? Let me see. Mm, let's see. It's too early. I literally just woke up for this. Oh, it does matter, huh? Okay. So when you when you do your mates wrong, edit your feature. Right. Why is my computer so slow today? It's usually very beefy and quick. Alright, I'm just gonna delete this, delete this. Oh, why is it inside the part? Ew. Move it out. Huh. Hello? Is it this part? What the hell? Hold on. You can see I make mistakes too. I'm only human. Okay, let me just delete the whole thing. Don't like it. Yes! Why is it so slow? I swear my computer is usually quicker. Why is it so slow? It's getting old. Anyway, yo, is it because of CapCut? Yes, how I edit my videos. I'm not gonna edit this, probably not. Okay, so I'm gonna select this hole, and then we are going to do coinkydink with this hole. Let's see. Looks nice. Okay. Okay, right now. Okay, remember? This plate is fixed, right? I'm gonna do something to it later, so it's like unfixed. So the I couldn't be bothered to make that. I don't think that would you just hear me sing and that would defeat my point. Okay, I'm gonna find a new component. Let's see. Oh yeah, by the way, please don't copy my idea. Remember, whoever copies my idea or has a really boring one has to buy me boba. There. Hello? Hello? Okay, there we go. Okay. So this is my yaw. Remember, the yaw is the thing that goes vertical. Okay, right? So in essence, I would want my yaw to be fixed and this one to move around too, right? So, okay. So what I do, but I don't want it to be coincident to display. I want it to concentric because it's more convenient for them. What I'm gonna do is right click. Oh, it's like not fix this floats. So, okay, mate. Hello? Why is it so slow? Jesus Christ. Okay. And I'm gonna click on this whole profile, concentric, and I'm gonna take the bottom. It actually doesn't matter, but I just like doing it to be like correct. and then boom, boom. And all of a sudden, it is concentric. Okay, let's do the front view. Okay, see? Hello? Did I click concentric? I did. Ah, there we go. I was like, my computer is very slow today. Sorry, guys. But yeah. And now it's concentric. Okay. Okay, let's see. Front. Okay, so I want this to float, right? So right click, float. There we go. This one, right click, fix. Yes. Okay. So slay. Okay. Now, hero. Was so ugly. Wait, can I have like a isometric view? Can a bay get an isometric view? Yes, isometric view, baby. Yeah, remember how I taught you how to draw that? All right, look. Ooh, ooh, look. Isn't that cool? Oh my God, go away dimensions. Ooh, yeah. And and this will be our like, our yaw. Just supposed to move with this plate. I'll figure it out. I'll iron the kinks sooner. But like, yeah. This is my linear to rotation wall. And yeah, there's two outputs. I'll think about it. Merge it into one or something. Eventually. So, good luck. Oh, what do I have to add while I'm here? Huh. Okay, insert one. I think I can talk about the mates a little more. Okay, unless you have a really powerful computer, don't do this. But like, you can go mess around with like the other stuff. Can't go. Okay, let's lock in. Yeah, you can simulate all of these things here, I think. Yeah, you can totally like mess around with here. Yeah. And also, hmm. Yeah, I have time. I'll talk about it. Whatever. Okay. Yeah, I'm not saying this. Okay, bell cranking. Okay. Why did I close that? Ugh, so tired. Okay. Da 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 da. What did I want to talk about? Oh. Wait. Why are you so slow today? This computer's old like me. Oh my God. Mm. It's so old. Oh my God. So old. So old. Um. Okay. There you go. What did I want to talk about? Yes, I remember now. Oh, would it be better demonstrated? Yeah, it'd be better demonstrated if I make like a new part. Okay. New. Okay. I'm gonna remake the plate or attempt to. Alright, top plane. I swear there's a point. It's not just me dallying around on a Sunday. Nope. I like the grid aesthetic. Okay. So like, I don't think I went through this very clearly last time when I taught you guys CAD drawing. Remember those like dotted lines you see in the parts in like the drawings? Those are what we call like construction lines and hidden lines. So you can do that here too. Okay, so let's say there's a circle and you're like, oh, for construction, boom. Suddenly it'd be like that. And you go, wow, that's really nice, right? Now let's say I want to make a smaller circle. Oh yeah, I want to like undo this. Hold on. Yay. Okay. Let's say I'll make a smaller circle here. The way I made the plate is like I made two circles that are like tangent to each other. Here's what I mean. So click right click no, not right click. Control click on these two lines. So you want them to like stick. You got a few choices. You can make them concentric. So concentric is like, yeah, that means equal. They're not gonna be equal. Go away. Paro? Oh, oops. I think I did something wrong. No. Oh, there we go. Oops. Or, like me, I clicked on here. I want to make them tangent. Huh? Paro? Alright, this is low crap. Hold on. Alright, here we go. Make them tangent. Here. So now the circle sticks to the side. Yay. Okay. Alright. How did I make that thing again? It was like 2 in the morning, man. Let me cheat a little bit. Oh yeah, I want to talk about these like constraint things, and I want to talk about over constraining things too. Just, just like a good FYI. Okay. Whoa. I sincerely need to start doing stuff on Kinesto. Okay. Day 2. You can see the timestamp. It's awful. But yeah. Okay, how do I do it? Alright, here. So like basically what I did is that like I put like how many circles? 1, 2, 4 circles together and I splined them together. And I made a what's it called again? It's not chamfer, it's a fillet. Because I don't want it to be sharp. The reason for that is because I don't want to poke my eye out. So that's just that. I just don't want to poke my eye out. Because I'm just gonna laser cut this. Anyway, so I made these like tangent, made this tangent, and then I made that tangent. Yeah, you get the gist. Like, I put these constraints on so that I don't have to know, like, oh, if they're like sticking or not. Because sometimes, even when visually it looks like it's sticking, it actually isn't, and you fail to make a shape, and you be frustrated, and you cannot extrude boss, and that'll suck complete balls. What was I gonna do? Yeah, over constraining. Hold on. You know, I might as well do it here, actually. Okay, constrain this to this. Why don't I do... Okay, here's a good one. Right click these two lines. Arrow. Oh, okay. Let's do... Damn. Okay, it's not... Whatever I did last night, it was a good learning experience. Okay, I'm scared of wasting this, because I spent a little bit of time figuring this out, so no. I'm just gonna go back here. Arrow. Where's the other one? Yeah, there we go. This tangent, and then... Okay. Yeah, say it's like, what's a good way of illustrating it? Because I want it to lock up so I can prove a point. So you can tell I'm a big fan of Alfred Hitchcock because he would go like, show, don't tell. It's turning into Carly's ASMR. How do I over constrain? Let me think about it. I don't know. Oh, I know. Maybe this will work. I'll put a point here. I'll put a point here. Okay, so I'm gonna say I want these two lines to be like tangent. Okay. Okay. Let's say that. And I want this to be tangent to this. Dang, it actually worked? Why? Alright, anyways. Dang, it actually worked. I'm disappointed. But what I'm trying to show is that I don't want to waste my time. It's already 20 minutes and I'm like still sleepy. But if you over constrain it, it will show up in yellow and be like, oh, you over dimensioned it. Ew. So, yeah, that's like not good. That's all I have to say about it. How can I show it? Ooh, 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 I'm so dumb. I can totally show this. What am I talking about? Okay. I can totally show this. Okay, let's say, okay. What is that? Go away, dumb line. Oh, oops. Alright, let's say I want this box to be like, hello? Let's define it as 8 inches. Okay. To, let's say 6.5. Right. So we define it as such, right? But I want to use this box to like, I should have ticked for construction earlier, but whatever. Well, no. Get out of here. Get. Okay. For construction. There's probably a quicker way to do this, but I'm just like, I mean, I'm still a student, okay, I'm not professional. Alright. And then the audio does not record. Okay. 6.5, right? So now I want the box to be fitted on the edges of the circle so that I can do some what the heck? What is 6.7? Oh my god. So that I can, I don't know, do whatever I want. Right? So I'll click on this line and then this edge and I'll just be like, oh, I want them to be tangent, right? Okay, it's fine. And then this portion to this portion, and I want it to be, so I want it to be tangent. Ah, there we go, there we go. Sketch is over-defined. Okay, wait. Hello? Hello? Oh yeah. Do I have to hover over this? Sketch is like over-defined, and the reason why it's over-defined is because like, oh, I already defined the box. If I like make this tangent, it's gonna, destroy this. It's not great. You can diagnose or you can manually repair it, in which case we're just gonna manually repair it because it's like easier. So what you do is that like, I think you delete this, you right click, delete, and yay, they can be tangent. Oh, thank God I got to prove my point. But yeah, that's about it. Happy hunting. Bye.